Corsair from the mini warbird series from Volantex. This is a pretty cool little plane. It's about the size of the UMX planes from Maiden Flight. And we did the unboxing and now we're doing the maiden flight of it. So there you go. Very cool little plane. Very easy to fly. If you look at the back side, it comes with spare props, comes with the batteries, and it comes with a remote. All for under $100. And this is a great way to get into the hobby, learn how to start flying, or get a kid into a hobby.